Good morning, everybody. As you know, we are in the midst of a historic snowstorm. Apparently, it moved in last night and will continue until tomorrow night. And we're supposed to get upwards of 2 to 3 feet of snow here in Conifer, Colorado. It's around 8:30 in the morning, and just figured I'd give you a look at it before our power went out. So let's go see what it looks like. Ready for this? What the actual, as you can see, I've got this pole here marked with foot intervals up to over 3 feet, and we've got centimeters on the ground of fresh snow.